All right, here we go. A lot of stuff going on. Technical difficulties, trying to get this new camera set up and get video uploaded and whatnot, and it just doesn't seem like it's compatible. So I lost a lot of progress while he's videoing anyway. So I'm hoping that we can get a little caught up today with this ugly ass car and see where we're at here with the. As you can see, we are engineless at this point. Nothing catastrophic, nothing crazy, nothing but just knowing that I need to work on the chassis on this car. Serious work, and we're gonna get to that in just a minute. But yeah, you know, not even sure where we left off. I'm not even sure where we were, because I don't think anything made it to YouTube. But we had drag radials. We were set up to go to the track, and literally on the way to the track, I made a last minute decision to not run this car at any kind of high speeds in the condition it's at. I figured, you know, it was a beautiful day like today, and I'd take the opportunity to pull the engine. If I can get the video uploaded, I will. But yeah, the engine and transmission both came out of this car. It was very smooth, very good. Did it by myself. Well, here we are with this car here. The biggest thing is the classic Fox body Mustang subframe, or rather the frame rod. The shock towers down here. You can see right below. I got this unbolted out here. Let's zoom in. And you can see how bad the frame is on this car, and it goes from bad to even worse down here, where it is see-through, completely see-through. And you know, that's not exactly good. You know, I did go through, believe it or not, this is clean. I degreased it and power washed it yesterday, which made a significant difference. You could see nothing but you know, black thick stuff, just coating everything in here. Yeah, here's just a little bit more detail in the frame. You can see the neighbor's yard through the other side, and we're going to be fixing this possibly today even. Oh look, there's gear cracked. Yeah, it's just a big mess. But yeah, you know, the K-frame itself isn't so bad. It looks ugly over here. It's most likely brake fluid. Probably a bad master at one point, and you know, caused a lot of paint to come off. But everything else, the steering rack and everything, seems pretty decent. This side is definitely going to get fixed as well. It's not as bad, but it's bad. The rest of the rail on the side is good. This is bad. This is bad. You can see how bad bent that is. And, so we're going to be smashing that back down with a hammer. This car will not be fuel injection. As you can see, I delightedly cut the injector wires even. I didn't even feel like getting in there and unplugging them. That's how much I was sure about my decision on that. I'm changing my mind. Carburetor guy. Get rid of these doodly dads. You know, we got some space balls in here. Not sure where the. Whew. What is this? Malono. The hell is that? So yeah, definitely some wear and tear. We just got a wheel well housing just sitting here chilling. Throw that over there. Bing bang boom. These shocks look original, so you know what that means. We'll probably run them, because I'm sure they're probably blown out, which means that they'll probably make a good drag shock. But we'll see. This sway bar is going to go. This is some kind of spring, huh? Somebody put some kind of spring in this car? Whatever. But yeah, this side isn't that bad. This side is, I wish the other side looked this nice. This is decent. I don't know. I'm actually delighted. I was anticipating worse. I just pulled the nose off this car, so I'm looking at this right now. You guys are with me. So I'm happy about that. This side I'm not expecting great news. Let's see what we got. Alright, let's see what we got here. Yep. I mean, there's not holes straight through. I expected this to be much worse down here. Where the brake line connects over here, I can see it's pretty gnarly. Oh yeah, look at it. You can see how it's like crunched. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Right here, up here, these spots up here. Oh yeah. Look, this is where it was whacked. Hit at some point. Oh boy. We'll see what we can do about this. I might just cut this section out and, weld something maybe from here and connect this, this section here. Straighten this out. So I want to save this, or maybe I'll try to go further if I can. And just make it box and just do it, I don't know. Either that or I could just cut it right off, fix this, and cut this right off. Zoop. I put a tube nose on. And then I could just forget about all this. And I think save this guy here. I don't know. I got some options. Aside from that, it's not the worst. It could be worse. I expected all this to be gone, and it's not. Here looks pretty clean. So aside from this mess over here, which is a pretty big mess, we're not doing too shabby. Oh, I'm trying to read this label. Yep, I don't know what that says. Yep, look at how bad this is. Riding on thin air. Riding on thin air. I don't know. Considering how bad this cross member is, and the smash, and how bad the rust is here, I don't know. I might have to put just a semi tube front. What does this say? Look at this. That's funny. Somebody loved their job. That's funny. Yep, you can see the rust. Other than that spot right there, these fenders aren't so bad. This isn't so bad. But down here is pretty bad. All right. Let's see where we're at here. Where are we? We got engine painted up. mean? Ford gray all day. So, oiled up, clean the pistons. This is what we're doing. We're just gonna roll with this guy here. Run it as is. Put a cam and these heads in. Not this cam, this is the cam that came out. Stocker. Yes, sir. We got some machine work and some other little tricks going on. Some valves and springs. We'll get into details later. But that's what's going in there. This is all everything that came out. This is my parts, my hardware. Got everything bagged and tagged. Here's the transmission. Believe it or not, it's a Super Duty T5. So it's got the 295 first gear. Yeah, just gonna clean it up and probably pull the case. Maybe well, I don't think I'll pull the case apart. Probably do the seal in the back because I believe it leaks. Really just clean it up. Needs a new pilot bearing. This one makes a lot of. This one is making a lot of noise on me. But other than that, yeah, we're rocking and rolling. Got some more engine parts up here. This is the intake we're going with. Might just be a starter carb, but it'll get it running. And probably I'm looking at something else, which if that comes through, which it most likely will, sooner than later, we will be introducing that. And yeah, not too shabby. She's moving along. All right.